Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today's video we will discuss about the AND and OR function, how is it used, what is the importance of these functions, and what are the differences between these functions. So let's start. AND function is one of the logical function which determine if all the conditions in text are true. Means if suppose there are two conditions, and in this case if both two conditions are fulfilled with the requirement, so that is the AND function is usable at this time. We use this function with the help of if. So there are the examples of AND function, like if both the arguments are true, the result will be true. If one of the function or one of the argument is false, then the answer will be false. Like in the case of second, 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2, and 3 is equal to 3. Though in this case all the argument true, the result will be true. But in the second point, 1 is equal to 2, 2 is equal to 3, and 3 is equal to 4. The one argument is false, so answer will be false. Like this, there are other function that is called OR function. OR function is also same as a AND function, but few steps which is defined, and OR functions are different. So OR function is one of the logical function which determine if any condition in the text are true, so answer will be true. For example, OR function is equal to, that is a error, this will OR formula will be used. So in this case, in the first case all argument true, the answer will be true, that is similar as a AND function. But in the second point, if one of the argument is false, then answer will be true, because there is one function is fulfill the argument. Like this, any condition in the text will be true, the answer will be true. Now we use this example in Excel format. So here are some salesmen and their total sales accounts there, and there is the condition: if any salesperson like Ramesh, Rajesh, Suresh, Prerna and Rekha, if fulfill these conditions, then they will got the bonus of 15%, otherwise no. So here we use two functions like OR and AND. How we use? Like this, we will apply. First of all, AND function is equal to if, then AND, then tab, then logical one. Logical one is that if B3 is more than 7,000, comma, logic 2 is C3 is more or equal than 5, then the true value will be, then answer will be bracket start B3 multiplied by 15%, bracket close, otherwise 0, bracket close, enter. So here is the formula: if AND, bracket start, if B3 means total sale is more than 7,000, and second logic is that if C3 means accounts is more than 5, then the value will become multiplied of 15% of total sales, otherwise 0. So in this first formula, the first condition is more than 7,000, but second condition, accounts, is less than 5. So that's why it gives the 0 answer. If we use same formula in below table, we will drop down this, and if we see in every cases answer will be 0, because if it completed first argument but the second argument may be not complete or vice versa, then the answer is 0. If both conditions are fulfilled, like more than 7,000 and account is more or equal than 5, then answer is 1361.55. So is the answer is there 15% of the total sale. Second formula we use OR formula, OR function. So here we write the same formula and paste here. Got it? There is some difference because in the OR function we fulfill the answer if any one of the condition is fulfilled. Like B3, if B3 is more than 7,000 and C3 is more or equal than 5 accounts, then answer will be B3 percentage 15%, otherwise 0. So the answer will be 0 in the first case, because in this both the condition is not fulfilled. If we drop down there is same. So error is that we use AND function in starting, which is incorrect. So we will use OR function and rest of the formula will be same, and when we enter this, the answer will become 15% of the total sale. And if we copy this formula to next rows, the answer will be coming in all the cases. So here we are seeing that if any one of the requirement is fulfilled, the answer will be 15% of sales coming, otherwise 0. In this case, the Rajesh answer is 0 in both the formulas, because it is not completed either first condition or second condition. Now you can get the definition of both functions and how it is used, and how you can use this formula in your future prospect. So here we are closing our video of data cleaning. In the next video we will come with the few functions like conditional formatting and data mapping functions. For more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this. If this video is helpful for you, or if it is helpful for your friends and others, so you can share this video to them, and please subscribe our channel to get these type of videos more and more in upcoming weeks. Till then, goodbye and take care.